When it comes to home cooking, versatility, convenience, and durability are key factors in choosing the right cookware. If you've been searching for a high-quality steamer pot that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, look no further than the BanYakong 11-inch stainless steel steamer pot. This two-tier steamer offers the perfect balance between design, functionality, and cooking performance. Whether you're steaming dumplings, seafood, vegetables, or even cooking a hearty stew or stock, this food-grade stainless steel steamer is built to meet all your needs. Let's dive into the detailed features and benefits that make this product an essential addition to your kitchen. Why choose the BanYakong 11-inch stainless steel two-tier steamer pot? The BanYakong 11-inch steamer pot isn't just any ordinary steamer. It's designed with premium materials and innovative features that set it apart from the competition. Here's why it's becoming a kitchen essential for many home cooks. Crafted from premium food-grade stainless steel, the BanYakong steamer ensures you're using safe, non-toxic materials for cooking. Stainless steel is renowned for its durability, resistance to corrosion, and ease of cleaning, ensuring that your pot will last for years. The three-layer composite material bottom enhances heat distribution, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly without burning or sticking. One of the standout features of the BanYakong steamer is its transparent glass lid, which makes cooking more convenient and fun. The steam vent built into the lid allows excess vapor to escape, preventing any spillage of your soups or stews. You can easily monitor your food while it cooks, saving you time and effort without needing to lift the lid every few minutes. The two-tier setup provides the flexibility to cook multiple foods at once. You can steam vegetables in one tier while cooking dumplings, seafood, or even eggs in the other tier. This dual functionality allows you to save time and streamline your cooking process. Perfect for those busy days when you want to cook multiple dishes in a single pot. The BanYakong 11-inch steamer is much more than just a steamer. The bottom pot can be used to cook soups, stocks, or stews, while the steamer layers are perfect for vegetables, dumplings, eggs, seafood, and more. This multi-purpose cookware allows you to steam, boil, and simmer, making it a versatile tool for all your cooking needs. The steamer pot is great for making nutritious meals in a short amount of time. Designed with widened and thickened handles, this steamer pot is easy to grip and maneuver, even when it's hot. The comfortable handles are made to withstand high temperatures, providing added convenience and safety while cooking. Whether you're lifting the entire steamer or just one tier, the handles ensure a secure, comfortable hold. Cleaning up after a big meal can sometimes feel like a hassle, but the BanYakong 11-inch steamer pot makes it easy. All parts of this steamer are dishwasher safe, meaning you won't have to spend extra time scrubbing pots and pans. Additionally, the smooth stainless steel surface resists staining and is easy to wipe down after use. No matter what kind of stovetop you use, the BanYakong steamer has got you covered. It is compatible with gas stoves, induction cooktops, electric stoves, and even halogen ovens, giving you full flexibility in your kitchen. You can cook your meals on whichever heat source you prefer, making this steamer incredibly adaptable. Pros: high-quality construction ensures durability and safe cooking. Two-tier steaming system makes it easy to cook multiple dishes at once. Multifunctional: ideal for steaming, boiling, simmering, and making soups or stews. Transparent glass lid allows you to monitor cooking without lifting the lid. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Compatible with all heat sources, including induction and gas stoves. Cons: size may be too large for small kitchens. At 11 inches, this steamer may take up significant stovetop space. Not the best for solo cooking. The steamer is perfect for 4 to 6 person meals, but smaller households might not need such a large pot. Final verdict: should you buy the BanYakong 11-inch stainless steel steamer pot? If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and high-performance steamer pot, the BanYakong 11-inch stainless steel two-tier steamer pot is a top choice for your kitchen. Its combination of premium materials, innovative features, and multi-purpose design makes it a must-have for any home cook. Whether you're steaming vegetables, dumplings, or making a hearty stew, this steamer offers everything you need for an efficient cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.